Welcome to the Bull Run Blueprint, the one-stop shop for everything crypto related you need to know during a euphoric bull run. From first layer protocols from Bitcoin to Ethereum, Solana, BNB, AVAX, and all the top 100 coins, to mid-cap coins that are less than 10 billion, to low-cap coins that are less than 1 billion, and even lesser than that, micro-cap gems under $250 million market cap. For you to be here is your gold ticket to not make the mistakes that so many retail investors have made before you. This isn't our first bull run. We've been doing this since 2015. We've been doing this since Bitcoin was $750, and we've earned and we've burned. And if we could go back in time, there's so many things we could do differently, but what we can do is be the best version we can be today and pass down the knowledge we have learned. So if you're in the crypto space and you're just getting involved, I would start by getting a Coinbase account, maybe opening one or two more accounts like a Kraken or a Binance US account, depositing some money, then creating an Ethereum wallet such as a MetaMask, where make sure you save your passcode, your keyword phrase, write it down and hide it somewhere. Don't take a screenshot of it. That puts you at risk of being hacked. You do not want that. This will be considered your cold wallet, your hard wallet. Nobody else has access to you. They say not your keys, not your wallet. But let's just say you're a beginner. We're starting at Coinbase. It's an IPO company that is reputable and based in the United States. So you get some money, you put $1,000, and now you have all these coins that are available. You can purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, or go down any of the other cryptocurrencies, whether you want a utility-based token or you want to venture out to lower cap coins. That's when you will need that MetaMask wallet for Ethereum, an Ethereum-based wallet, or a Phantom wallet, which is your Solana-based wallet that can also hold ETH. You can use Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange for Ethereum, or you can use something like Radium for Solana. And there's more decentralized exchanges. Let me know what your top decentralized exchanges below, or your top centralized exchange. Mine used to be BNB and Binance, especially when the US and the Binance sites were one. Now they're separated, so there's less tokens available. But I do like a centralized exchange because I do feel comfortable. I don't think the people from Coinbase or the people from Binance would rob the retail investor like what happened with FTX, what happened with Voyager, what happened with so many other exchanges that over leveraged themselves and couldn't handle going through several bull runs and bear runs. So this is where you figure out your exit strategy. This is where you learn how to get started. Make sure you do your due diligence. Let us know if you have any comments in the general discussion, and good luck. I know you can do it. See you on the next one.